Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee Maker. Alright, the Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee Maker. 12 cup. Let's get it. I picked this up at Target for $24.99 and that's in mid-March of 2024. That's the at time of recording price. Also, I'm not 100% sure on the model number. It's not on the box, and it's not in the manual. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, it's on the back of the manual. This is the 46290G. That's what it says on the box. It's the black and stainless steel version. Let's have a look inside. The cover swings back. Have the shower head, or the spout, if you will, swings back and forth. And the removable brew basket, which will be taking a basket style filter, as they call it, a cupcake style filter. Water reservoir, we have the water level indicator on the side of the unit. From 4 all the way to 12 cups. This unit also has a 2-hour automatic shut-off, so after 2 hours it will automatically turn itself off, just in case you forget. At the base of the unit you have the control panel, on-off button, hour and minute buttons, brew option button, and the programmable button for when you set the programmable timer. And I'm going to plug it in. First thing I'm going to do is set the clock. Notice the time flashes. And we're just going to head over to the hour and minute buttons to set the current time. In this example, let's just say 6:10 p.m. You hold it down, it scrolls faster. And 6:10. And you notice that you have the AM and PM indicators. And once you release it, the current time is set. I mentioned the brew options. There's only 3 options. You have options for 1 to 4 cups. Now that's if you just want to only make 4 cups, or anywhere between 1 and 4, you would select that. We also have 2 brew options. We have bold and we have regular. Bold is if you want a more stronger cup, and regular is just if you want a regular cup of coffee. During testing, it takes approximately 12 minutes to do a whole pot. So I'm going to test the bold for this. It's probably going to take a little longer. For setting the programmable timer, what you're going to do, you're going to hold it and then select the time, because the minute you release it, it goes back to the current time. So you're going to hold it in until the time flashes. I don't know why it's showing that. 1999, that's weird. But we're going to use the hour and minute button to select the time we want it to go off in the morning. Let's just, for this example, let's just say 6:05. Release and then hit it again. You want to see that green light, and you want to see that say auto. If you don't see that green light or you don't see auto, it's not going to go on in the morning. What I like about this model, you have a lot of room to pour. Some other models, they give you very little room to pour that water. So this here, you have ample space. I'm going to take one of these basket style filters. In the manual it says cupcake style. It's the first time I've heard that terminology used. If you're out shopping for filters, just look for the basket style filter. Or if it says cupcake, go ahead and get that. Same thing. This is what you're looking for. I'll place that right in here. And you want to do a tablespoon per cup. So in this case, we're doing a full pot, so we're going to do 12 tablespoons of coffee. 11 and 12. Place the shower head over the basket, and we'll close it. Alright, so it's just about finishing up. 6:26 from 6:05, so approximately 21 minutes. Just keep that in mind for when you're setting the timer in the morning. Let's check the temperature. Okay, 164, trying to push 165. That's acceptable. Let's throw in a splash of milk. Well, you guys get an idea of strength. Man, that looks like a bowl cup. Let's see. Nice heat. Good bold flavor. So that's going to be the video. The 12-cup programmable Hamilton Beach coffee maker. One more sip. Just one more. Yeah. Really good heat. 165. That's a great temperature. And good flavor using the bowl over the regular. Just notice a little bit more. Yeah, I know. I use the cheap stuff, the commercial stuff, for when I do these demos. For my everyday coffee drinking, I normally grind my own beans and put it in a French press. Like, that's like my normal morning routine. I don't want to use my good coffee for the demos. So I kind of tend to use the cheaper stuff. Take a look inside, see if it made a mess. Nope. That's going to be the video, guys. I thank you for watching. I hope this was interesting for anyone who's looking to purchase this unit or just comparing it to something else. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love reading your feedback. Like the video, share the video, please subscribe, do all that good stuff. That's definitely helping the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one.